Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a scatter plot in Google Sheets. So you're just going to want to select the sort of table, like the data that you've made. Go to insert and you are going to select chart here. Then you are going to select your chart type. I'm just going to then choose the scatter plot here, the scatter chart. And then if you want to add more detail to your scatter plot, you can go to customize and go to series. Scroll down until you find these. You can add error bars, data labels, and also like the trend line. And that is pretty much how you can make a scatter plot in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!